Now here's how you can make your Apple Watch automatically download games when you do so on your phone. So you might be in a situation where you essentially just download some sort of game or any kind of app and you want to make it show up on the Apple Watch automatically. This can be set up, so it's pretty simple actually. On the iPhone, make sure to locate the watch application like this and just come to the main section. And in here, you need to go to the general right there. So tap on general, and there is one setting for automatic app install. So as the little description says, when this is on, you have apps on your iPhone that also work with your Apple Watch, and those will automatically install and show up on your device right here. So in the main section, when I go down towards the bottom, you can see that these are all of the apps. So I, for example, downloaded Audible on my iPhone, and it also automatically appeared on my Apple Watch right here. The same thing for all of these apps. And right now, if I install a new game and if it supports an Apple Watch app, because I have this setting turned on in the general, it will automatically show up on my Apple Watch, and I don't even have to worry about anything. It's just going to pop up there, automatically. However, if you don't have this option turned on, you can still decide if you install apps, because if you disable this, then the apps you download on your iPhone, which also have Apple Watch version, are going to show up in this list right here. So they're going to be available to just install them with a click of a button like that. But as we want to, obviously, we want to keep it automatically appearing on our Apple Watch. So that's it. I'm not going to drag the video any longer than it needs to be. So I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.